Hey beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T. If you are stopping by for the first time, my name is TONIA OKOLIE, and you might want to click that subscribe button and stick around because I have amazing content for you guys. Today I want to show you how to revive the curls on your coily hair. I want to show you how to get that wet look you see on Instagram, like you see everywhere. This hair is from KLAIYI hair, and I've had this hair I've had this hair for 2 years now, and it's still popping, you guys. So I got this hair when I was graduating uni. Yes, I'm a graduate. So if you're interested in that, please keep on watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos, please. Yeah, let's begin. So you're going to need a few items to achieve the wet look. First thing is a towel so you don't get your shirt wet. Secondly, you need a spray bottle. So this is my spray bottle. I know it's mighty, right? I put conditioner inside and I mixed everything with water. You will need a brush. You need a small tail comb. I'm going to be using this hair gel. It's called Extreme Sports. So this is it. I've never used it before, but I'm going to be using it for you guys today. Hopefully it does work wonders. I'm going to be using it as my coiling coaster because your girl doesn't have one. So this is what I'm going to use in substitute. I'm going to be using a little bit of this shea oil and also hair mousse. This does wonders, you guys. This is like the main bad boy in this whole show. Like, you need hair mousse for your hair to be coily. So I'm going to part the hair into two. So in little portions, I'm going to apply water to the hair. Now I'll use my brush and brush it out. You're actually supposed to start from the end, so I'll brush out the ends and then brush it out little by little. Now next I'm going to add the mousse. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the hair. Ooh, guys, look at this. Ooh, Jesus, what? Oh my days, it's so coily. Okay, let me not get too distracted by how awesome this hair is looking. Guys, look at the difference. Oh, these curls, they definitely popped. I've packed this side up. Now I'm going to, revive the curls of this one, and then I'll be right back. Last step, we're going to add this serum, the shea butter oil, and I'm going to add just a tiny bit like this. Apply that all over the hair to make it shine. Can you see that though? Let me stand up for you guys to see. This is how you revive your coily hair, and this is how you get that wet look. So gorgeous. The curls are popping, the hair is gorgeous. This is how you achieve that wet look. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe to my channel, and I'll definitely see you in my next video, won't I? Please subscribe to my channel. Please like, please share, please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Comment if you liked it. I mean, I love it. I don't know about you, but I love it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Before you leave, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye. Cue intro song.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más.